3, 2, 1. So you are David and you are in the song.
I am Shika Singh from Class 9 needed to participate in today's debate. The topic is cybersecurity and threat to students. So in my friend is more about educational but even in the field we can see that there are various cyber threats.
This cybersecurity is a general today, and my point on that topic is that cybersecurity is not a threat to
Which is cybersecurity is a threat to students. Yes, I think cybersecurity is a threat to students because it invades.
What is your opinion that most of these students who are attempting the suicide of this case because most of the people
they are doing suicide, and also a lot of people they are uploading photos of Instagram.
why cybersecurity have made many of the people who are engaged in the mobile, most of the
Congratulations.
both the and from this team the best is Bingo.
So you are David and you are in the song.
I am Shika Singh from Class 9 needed to participate in today's debate. The topic is cybersecurity and threat to students. So in my opinion, cybersecurity is very important and it is not a threat for students. It is very important nowadays as cybercrime is increasing day by day. So it is very important for us. Cybersecurity gives awareness and education for technical skills.
I am Ishka Rajesh, 19 years old. In order to participate in today's competition, that is going to be having a topic is cybersecurity in the state of law. I am for this motion and this cybersecurity is a cybersecurity. As my friend is more about educational field, even in educational field also, we can see that there are various cyber crimes happen under cybersecurity also. Various fake antivirus apps are installed by students and they were affected over it. Depression, anxiety, and suicidal cases are very common nowadays.
topic. This cybersecurity is a general today, and my point on that topic is that cybersecurity is not a threat to students. Science improvement of privacy and tell students how to use this digital world the computers and the peripheral devices easily since our world is the digital age now. Everything is done by digital. The payment that are given to teachers or in government officers have become digital now, and these students are not taught how to use that digital technology properly. They might get into certification and anxiety.
Various types of information and antivirus app are installed. How a student can verify that it's a good app, which is a bad app. In terms of entering a particular app, the student have to know that what is about that particular thing. But an unauthorized user may use that particular application for various activities. Even a educated could just see it as a particular.
Yes, against team peace. The more you will take turn.
Medical is for the original antivirus, but the original app provides you many of the chances and many of the proofs that it is the original. So you have to know that this is the original ones. About antiviruses app, we also studied in our schools. Like in class 7, we had many chapters for cyber crimes and cyber security and all.
For today's debate topic, which is cybersecurity and threat to students. Yes, I think cybersecurity is threat to students because it invades students' privacy, making them paranoid of being watched 24/7. Sometimes the cybersecurity handles a very large amount of students' data, and if this data is mishandled or misplaced, this can lead to a very huge disaster. For example, some schools in the US use cybersecurity tools to monitor student activities, and students have reported feeling anxious and paranoid about this. Cybersecurity was meant to protect us, but it ended up controlling us. When safety turns into surveillance and the learning comes into fear, we must ask, are we really protecting students or are we turning them prisoners in the name of protection?
Amar, Ravi.
For their behavior or to make an umbrella, take of this data to understand their behavior and which class they are reading and to give books according to their need and to understand their behavior and to know about the mistakes they have done earlier.
Write the books according to class. They want to ask the question that each people is of same kind. Is this school is limited to a particular people or a group of people or organization? All of them have the same mentality. Some of them because of the dirty mind that may use the particular student's information for any kind unnecessary and unreasonable things.
What you? Neha, Ritika, Apurva, Ashita and share her point. Give your own point then. Yes. Yeah.
For the promotion of the topic, cybersecurity is a threat. As cybersecurity is a threat because it can hack our passwords through our personal data, it can misuse our data in a very bad way. So it's very dangerous for us. So what we want to speak against this problem.
Famous among students that they do not know how to use the cyber security there. If they are taught, they can do they can protect their privacy and the personal information which they are using today.
This thing that they are always protected and clicking on the sites and websites that are very harmful to them. What do you want to say about this? Also increases the power of this also.
And there have been also many fake headline numbers that may use the student for their not just for their own gain, but for the profit of the online users also.
Websites today use third-party block systems where they block all the third-party websites for unnecessary use.
They are providing the lots of website that we can protect them. What can then? What is your opinion that most of these students were attempting the suicide of this case because most of the people are harassed them for they were taking their photos using the fake IDs and most of the things they were taken and telling them give me monies or otherwise I will sell it. What's your opinion on this?
Cyber advertisement in our phone, that will increase the problem to us.
Students feel like make sense of safety that helps they become careless and think they are always protected when they are wrong.
Cyber crime also.
Actually, the ads that the dictate of the cyber security features of the crimes did not save them on the particular app. Even if the student data in a particular app, they see that it is the same as the real. They can affect your wrong.
Questions like that. Why cybersecurity that many of the people who are engaged in the mobile, most of the in the education field, most of the students were using the mobile for the education. But how can you say that they are using the mobile for the education? But most of the things they are using that is against when we are talking about the US and that's all things. That they are just really fear from that if their cases one reach to their parents, then what they are thinking about this type of things that
And even the related pages that may use their mobile numbers and any other further information in a message.
in the age of the teenager, most of the people are attracted to each other and they are using the mobile they are using the mobiles to talking. Then what we have to say is that if any voice or anyone can say that please give me that photos, I want to see that in that place. How do you use that type of thing that most of the people who are most of the girls even very little child are also need their photos.
And let's look at why can you send me your photo? We have our own self-Instagram.
but it is but it causes our mental harassment also, as you cannot and you cannot go into you are not going to this type of cases the millers of their as you tell that this can do it for this, but you can this type of case you can you can carry our NCCR, that is National Cyber Security Authority, in which you can get them. Then how can you say that it is a problem?
The people or the students who had on top in their particular badges, their photo have been just beside them. Just beside them.
Don't oppose her, don't answer the question, and share your thoughts. If we are going to give you a chance, we are going to lose your phone.